Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making orange and almond cake, which is gluten-free, and we'll be decorating it. What I've already done is I've dehydrated oranges. So I've dehydrated the oranges in the oven, just slice them, put them in the oven at 100 degrees for about 3 hours, flip them again for like 1 hour, and now we'll be making the cake. So first things first, turn your oven on 150 degrees. First I'm gonna zest these because I need the zest of this orange for the cream, so I'm gonna zest them and put the zest aside. We'll be using this for the cream that we do later on. And now cut these oranges in halves. Seeds out, take your pan, put the oranges like that, facing that side down, and then fill it with water until it just covers it. And I'm going to turn the gas on, turning it on high, full. And now we're going to make a cartouche, which is made using paper. Take baking paper and I'll show you here. And make a triangle. And I've made like a triangle thing. And then the shortest bit, I cut it from there. So the cartouche that I put on top is so that the oranges stay submerged in the water and they cook properly. And this will help take all the bitterness out of it, and then we can, when they're soft, we can just blend it and put it in the batter. So now I'm gonna work on my batter, and yeah, let's do it. So for the batter, we're gonna take the almond meal and the baking powder and mix them together well. With the eggs, I'm gonna whip them so they're soft and fluffy, and then start adding a little bit of sugar and just keep whipping them. And then at the end we will fold in the dry ingredients and the blended oranges in. My weapon's ready to go. I'm gonna add the baking powder in here. And if you're making this actual gluten-free, just make sure that your baking powder is also gluten-free. Some baking powders are not. Mine is. Let's do the eggs. The eggs are soft and fluffy, very nice. For this, we just take the oranges out, put them in. We don't need water, just the oranges, and blend it. Now we add the almond meal and the baking powder. Now the orange. And that's the batter ready, and if you overwork it, it will just go flat, so don't overwork it. Just fold it very nicely, very carefully, with love, and yeah, that's it. I've already lined my tins, just going to put the batter in. And now we put this in the oven for 40 minutes, but you need to keep checking it because the small ones will cook faster and the bigger ones take longer time. 40 minutes. Today I'll put a timer on. It's been 40 minutes and I just took the small ones out like 5 minutes ago because they were done. I am going to take the big ones out too now. This cake does go it does go down, but trust me, it is a delicious cake. Just let it cool down, and yeah, this is done. Done. Yeah, so it does it shrinks. Still, it's a good cake. I've made this I think 4 or 5 times before, and I swear it's just really, really good cake. You will not regret making it. And so now I'm gonna let it cool down, and after it's a bit cool, I can't just take it out of the molds because this is very soft and will just crumble apart. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna leave it in there. Just let it cool down a bit and then take it out slowly and put it in the fridge so it's cold, and then I will do the whipped cream. That's the cake. This one is a big one and the other one is a smaller ring. And I'm gonna cut this sides off so that both of them can be stacked one on top of the other. And I'm gonna fill the cream in, but first let me just cut it from this side so it's the same size. This cake is seriously so moist. I don't even have to add any kind of sugar syrup or anything in it. It's just so nice and moist. So this is 600, half of the cream. Roughly. The orange zest that I saved earlier. I'm just going to add like a teaspoon, not a lot. And that's the final cake. How cute does this look? It's so simple, so easy, doesn't take a lot of ingredients as well, and it's gluten-free. Thank you for watching. Come back next week and we'll do something fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell icon just so that you get all the notifications whenever I post my videos. Thank you.